Hello everyone. OpenAI O3 Mini has been launched, and this is the great deal. Let's see that what is the specification of it, and it is comparable with the Deepseek R1 or the Quen model out there in the market. So let's see. Um, and this is one of the newest and most cost efficient model in the reasoning model series, and yes, this is the particular strength on the science, mathematics, and coding, and this is first a small reasoning model. That is the thing, and includes the function calling, structure output, or the developers masses. That is more of the developer side, but you can see the benchmarks. Here is the benchmarks from the O1. Okay, O1 was the previous model that was on the ChatGPT free version. So if you have used it, you can see that there are some improvements. And yes, you can see all these benchmarks. But yeah, we'll be compared with it will in with the real use cases. Okay, so you can see that O3 comes in a three modules. First is mini. Uh, me, it's a low, medium, and high. Okay, so these are the three models that there are, and you can use the O3 model. So you can use it in the free version. Yes, it is in the free version, and you can just click on the reason option, and it will be reasoning. Okay, and best part is that you can use it with the search. Okay, so you can ask any question from it, and we are going to ask like how many R's in the strawberry. Okay, and let's see that if it will be giving us the right answer or not. Okay, so it's three. Okay, um, so I was testing a lot on this reasoning model. That's why it's it has the limit right now. So yes, that is the thing. You can use it, and on the benchmark of the strawberry, it has passed here. And if you see that on terms of countries, write the list of all countries names starting with the letter B but doesn't have the letter E, then O3 Mini is almost equal to the R1. Okay, now this is the thing. Now let's see the comparison between the DeepSeek and OpenAI O3. Okay, so this is the comparison. So first thing is this DeepSeek is accessing the reasoning task. Okay, but the O3 Mini is more of the faster inference speed and more stable in multi-turn conversations. But the cost has the huge difference. R1 is more cheaper. Okay, R1 is quite cheaper, and one of the best thing about the R1 that it will be not exceed. Okay, it will be not exceed that. Okay, your daily quota has been exceed. No, you can use the deep thing as many times as you can. Yes, and if you will ask the same question to the to it, then it will be thinking. Okay, you can see here it thinks in more structured and more I will say in a more it have more chain of thoughts. Yes, so that is the point. You can see here how it is thinking. Hmm. And it is counting. Sometimes maybe it's a type of hallucination that it goes in the wrong track, then it again comes on the right track and then give the answer. So yeah, but here I will say that having shorter and better answers, like having shorter chain of thought and a better answer is very good. Okay, because you can see that how it think in a one step, and then it is giving the answer. But you can see, yeah, that it is not revealing too much of the chain of thoughts. Okay, but yeah, that is the another point. You need the answers as well. Yeah. Okay, now what is the ease of use? Of course, it R1, like you can both use on the chat, but yes, you can use it for the deployment purposes, and you need some more technical expertise. But O3 is more of the user-friendly chat GPT style interface and easy API integration, as OpenAI is doing a lot of work from a long time. to make it user friendly. Now, the target audience is, of course, obvious that R1 is more of the researchers who want to deploy or want to play with it or test the model, and it is more cost efficient as well. Uh, and O3 Mini is more of the businesses and casual users. Okay, and one major thing is that DeepSeek R1 is the open source model. Okay, you can run it on your own machine. You can download this model. Yes, but O3 is not the open source model. Okay. What is the community feedback? Community feedback is, of course, that it prays for the affordability. DeepSeek R1 is more affordable and transparent. But yeah, there are a little bit of formatting issues. Um, and O3 Mini is like appreciated for its reliability, criticized for higher cost and less control. Of course, it has the higher cost still. Okay. Now, let's see that what the Lex Friedman has told about the O3 Mini is a good model, but our DeepSeek R1 is similar performance, still cheaper, and reveals its reasoning. Okay, but yeah, of course, better model will be coming. And this one thing that was a major thing in the O3 was its cost was very much reduced from the original cost due to the DeepSeek R1 effect. So due to the open source models in the market, OpenAI has reduced its prices even. So yeah, that is quite good. What do you think about it? Go and use this model. The link will be in the description, and put your review in the comment box, and see you in the next video.